Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a small Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. Before proceeding, make sure your laptop is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Step 1. Remove the back cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, locate and unscrew the screws on the back cover of the Asus V3607V. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place. Gently pry open the cover to expose the internal components. This is a good time to use compressed air to clean out any dust, which can improve airflow and performance. Step 2. Access the BIOS. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. To unlock the BIOS, you may need to reset the CMOS settings. Carefully remove the battery and leave it out for a few minutes before reinserting it. This should clear any existing BIOS passwords. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 3. Reassemble and power on. Once the battery is back in, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your laptop and press the designated key to enter the BIOS setup, usually F2 or Delaware. If you have entered the BIOS successfully, navigate through the settings to adjust any configurations as needed. Step 4. Prepare for Windows installation. Next, you'll need a bootable USB drive with the Windows installation files. If you don't have the tools for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get everything set up without any hassle. Step 5. Boot from USB. Insert the USB drive into the laptop and restart. Go back to the BIOS settings and adjust the boot order to prioritize the USB drive. Save the changes and exit. Your laptop should now boot from the USB drive. Step 6. Install Windows. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Windows. Make sure to choose the correct partition for installation. If you need help during the installation or have concerns about data loss, keep in mind that we provide a quote before repair. If something goes wrong, you will know the cost up front. Step 7. Final setup. Once Windows is installed, you'll go through the initial setup process. Customize your settings, create a user account, and connect to Wi-Fi. Finally, check for any driver updates to ensure your system runs smoothly. Congratulations! You've successfully unlocked the BIOS and installed Windows on your Asus V3607V. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle the process yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Remember, we can facilitate everything with no calls and no travel required. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.